It's a fucking Croc. It's not even a good shoe. I can see now why you threw it. This fucking sucks. If you wear Crocs, you've pretty much given up on
heard me speaking.
There's no hope left.
No, I didn't speak. Sorry.
Same with me. My ship went down into the ocean. When I woke up alone, I had everything. A handful of moments I wish I could change. And it's unlike a nightmare that kind of blame. In a city of fools, I was careful and cool, but they tore me apart like a hurricane. A handful of moments I wish I could shake, but I was carried away. Give me therapy, say I'm a walking travesty, but I'm smiling at everything. Therapy, you were never a friend to me. You can take back your misery.
Oh my God.
That's a face I think that keeping this up can be taken out. 'Cause but I'm fucking stuck, and the experts say